Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop applications from using our calendar options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 phone. To stop applications from having access to our calendar options, we have to go to Settings. We are looking for security and privacy options here, and under Privacy submenu here, we have Permission Manager. In Permission Manager, we have our calendar. Right now, 6 out of 8 apps are now allowed to make changes and to use our calendar option in our phone. So, to stop our app from using calendar, simply tap the app that we want to prevent from using it. Do not allow. Yes. Do not allow. Back out. And now this application is no longer allowed to use our calendar functions. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.